welcome back to Challenger. Well, today we're not going to do something challenge, but we have something different. We have something better indeed. Look what we have. We have, oh God, a glow stick. So we have one of these. You can't see it good at night. Just turns the lights off. Right, honestly, just what? Look how cool this looks. Wait. Can you see that, guys? Pick that up. Now that is sick. And what we're going to do with that, we are going to microwave it. Okay. So, I need to open this. So, well, yeah, it is indeed. It is indeed. And we need a glass. I need glass. Come on. I need to find one. We're playing the finder. You find it, you get it. Fuck it. We'll just get this. Because I know this will never explode, right? Yep. It will never. Alright, I got this. Rest in peace, boy. Put that there. Put it on. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. So while that's having a good time, just look at what it does. And just click the light off. Holy moly. Wait, is that even turning? Oh crap. Piece of shit. Now turn. God. Put you there. Put you like this. And instant start. So I'm just gonna make it right. So yeah. I think I heard a noise. I don't know. Come on, let's see what happens. So while that's doing, we'll check up on that every few seconds. But I think there's something there. What the fuck's that? Fight me if you're a man, piece of crap. Anyway, ignore that craphead. And look at this. What the fuck? Guys, what the fuck was that? Oh shit! It exploded! Oh! Alright, taken out. That's just too much shit that. Oh, that's up. Fuck that, man. Holy moly. Holy moly. Take this out. Oh! Oh! Ho ho! Wait, does that still glow? Ha! Does it glow? Oh, kinda. Okay. Won't worry about that. Look, let's just take a look at this. Because this burst. Oh shit. I see where it exploded. I see. That smells awful. Don't inhale it. Do not inhale it. Never inhale it. And guys, please don't try this at home. Alright. So that's the end of the video. I'm trying to get some. I'm really scared. So guys, if you're new to this channel, always subscribe. And yeah, don't forget to like. So peace out.